Hi friends, Marianne here from Design Your Own Lovely blog. And this is how to offer content upgrades with a fake LeadPages landing page. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a LeadPages like thank you landing page. So this is part of the process that I use to basically create a fake LeadPages landing page with a pop-up sign up and thank you page. So let's take a look real quick at what we'll be creating today. So we're going to be creating, in this full tutorial, we're going to be creating this landing page with a large image, a description box here, and a button, free cheat sheet, which opens up a pop-up sign up here, powered by ConvertKit. And then once you sign up and press get the free cheat sheet, then you will be taken to this lovely LeadPages like thank you page with share buttons so that you can actually share this page here, okay, with your friends and hopefully have them sign up too. And then, with a lovely photo and our little signature just to personalize the page a little bit, okay? So this is what we're going to be creating. And first of all, why do we want to do this? Well, because these are great pages to use for content upgrades, especially when you're trying to build up your list to promote something like a product. Now, just so you know, this video is it's actually only part of the tutorial, the full tutorial. So if you're watching this from YouTube or wherever, you're going to want to check out the full tutorial at designyourownblog.com/fake LeadPages. Okay, and you can also download a free checklist there. So hopefully by now you've gotten your content upgrade freebie created, which is like a checklist or a PDF or just something that you want to share and that you can use to collect email addresses for your list, and that you have the Parallax Gravity Light plugin installed into your WordPress theme. Now the Parallax Gravity Light plugin is free and it's all that you need for this tutorial. Okay, you don't need the paid version. You're actually going to need two more things for this part of the tutorial. You're going to need a profile photo of yourself, that's for this, and the ideal size for that is 230 by 230 pixels, and also an image of your signature. Now, if you don't have one, I just created this with a handwritten font that I found on creativemarket.com, and I just basically created a quick signature and saved it as an image. Okay. So once you have these two things, then we are ready to go. Okay. All right. Well, let's get started. So first, we want to go to our WordPress dashboard. Okay. And from your menu, you are going to see Parallax Gravity Light right here, okay? And you're going to click New Landing Page. Now you want to name your landing page something. Honestly, nobody's really going to see this name, so you can name it kind of whatever you want. I like to name it something kind of memorable, but we'll just name it for now. Thank you for downloading freebie. Okay, and obviously you're going to name that whatever you want. Now what we need to do is we need to create sections, and we're going to create two sections. Okay, this is one section and this is the other section. Okay, so basically those are two full width bands. Okay, and that's kind of how landing pages usually look, right? So we're going to do add section, add section. We're going to do it twice, okay? Now you see here's the other section. And then we have to hit save draft. Otherwise the plugin doesn't allow you to edit them until you've actually saved it, and it kind of creates those sections, okay? Here's the permalink. You can change that to whatever you want. For now we're just going to leave it as is, okay? Alright, so let's expand. So the first section is already expanded. We'll name this something, so that you can tell the difference between the sections. We're going to name this top, and you'll see that it's updated right there. And we're going to change this to 40 and 20. And then the background color is, we're going to want to pick something that's kind of dark or bright, something that contrasts well with the bottom section, which is white. So I chose this fuchsia color for my branding. So that's what I'm going to enter here. Now this is where you would enter your hex code, okay? and I'm going to enter DF214D, which is that fuchsia color. You can ignore all this. We're not uploading a background image. That's for the actual page. What did I just do here? Okay. And then down here is the content area. Okay. So for the content area, if you usually, it's just like a blog post in WordPress. If you usually use the visual tab, which is the WYSIWYG here, I want you to actually switch to text, okay, because I'm going to give you some HTML to paste in here. All right. So again, if you need that HTML, you can copy it directly from the full blog post at designyourownblog.com/fake-lead-pages, okay? And I'm going to paste that right there, okay? Now a few things. I added a style tag here with some CSS. If you have a custom style sheet in your theme, then you can take this out and you can put it in your style sheet. But for now, we're just going to leave it here. These are these are for the buttons, the share buttons, okay? And you can obviously edit this to whatever you want, but basically it will make these buttons look just like this, okay? Except without this hover effect. That's from my theme style sheet, and that's why that's happening there. All right, so and then down here in the HTML, and depending on how much you know about HTML, if you're familiar with it, if you're familiar with the Bootstrap framework, you'll notice that there are some Bootstrap classes right here for the columns, and that basically, Parallax Gravity Light is built on Bootstrap, so if you are familiar with those classes, you can use them and you can edit that if you want. But if you don't know what Bootstrap is, then I would just ignore that and just leave them as is. Okay. So basically, what we have here is we have an H1, which is the heading, and we have a paragraph and a paragraph. Okay, that's these right here, the heading, paragraph, paragraph. All right, now you can change this to whatever you want. Okay, you can leave it as is. Thank you for downloading, and then the name of your freebie. You signed up for the name of your freebie. Blah blah blah. You can read this, and you can leave it as is, or you can change it to whatever you want. The other thing that you're going to edit, but not now, would be these are the A tags for the buttons, the links basically. href is usually where the URL goes, right here in between the double quotes, okay? We're going to leave these like this for now, okay, because we can't create these share links, and I'm going to show you how to do that in another video, but we can't create those until we have created our actual landing page, which is this one, and we need that first, so we need the URL for that first. So we're going to leave these as is. We'll come back to this later, okay? All right, now let's open up section 2. Scroll up, okay, and I'm going to name this bottom, okay, and we're going to leave these as 80 and 80. We're going to leave the background color as white, which is what all these F's are, the hex color for white, and then again we're going to leave this in text mode so that we can add in some HTML, and again I'm going to send you that HTML, okay, to our page here. All right, now here again, I put in all caps the things that you want to replace. Click Add Media, that's this button, and place a profile picture of you here that's about 230 by 230 and align it to the right. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete that. Click Add Media. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for my profile picture. That's already been uploaded. And that's this one right here. You'll see it's 238 by 228. It's close enough. And then we're going to want to align it to the right. Insert into post. All right, there it is. Now here we're going to click Add Media and place a picture of your signature, or you can just type your name if you don't have it. Either way works. And we're going to delete that. Add Media. And here's my signature image. I'm going to remove the alignment here, and I'm just going to put none. Insert into post. And there we go. All right, we're going to hit Save Draft. And then we're going to preview this post. So it doesn't look that great. We're getting there, but obviously we need a little bit of finessing. So the reason why this is all dark is because it's taking the colors from my actual theme style sheet, and so we're going to want to change that to white. Another thing we're going to want to do here is let's make that a circle. I just think it looks much nicer and cleaner as a circle. So you don't have to, of course, if you like the square, but personally I think it kind of looks unfinished that way. So we're just going to change this and this, and that's really all we need to do. So let's go back into Edit. And now we're going to switch to Visual mode. We're going to highlight all of this and change the text color to white. Alright, and then in bottom section, now this part might be a little bit tricky for you, okay? So this here, the first image, remember that we uploaded, is our profile image, okay? So this is the image tag. What we need to do is we need to add a little CSS to it, okay? But I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to add. Okay, so at the very end here, after this, this last double quotes and before the slash, I'm going to hit space and we're going to type style equals double quotes, and we're going to put border dash radius colon 50% and close the quotes. Okay? Now basically what this means, border radius is what rounds the corners. Okay? If we were to put border radius equals, say, 10 pixels, I'm going to show you what happens here. Oh, we also need to end that with a semicolon. I'm going to show you what happens when you do that. Man, this is slow today. All right, let's refresh, and see what happens. It rounded the corners, okay? So maybe you're happy with just doing it like that, and that's fine. I think it does kind of finish it off a little bit better. But if you want a circle, then we'll go back into here and go into text, and we're going to change that to, where did I put that? Oh, that's strange, it moved it up here. Border radius equals 10 pixels. We're going to take out the 10 pixels and we're going to replace that with 50% and leave that semicolon after it, okay? The semicolon, make sure that it's before the closing double quote there. Now what 50% is going to do is it's going to basically create a circle with whatever you have, okay? So we do Save Draft. Refresh. And we're done. And that's it. That's it, guys. Did the top section and the bottom section. That is your landing page, or thank you landing page, okay? So again, if you're watching this in YouTube, there's a link below to the full post. If not, the URL is designyourownblog.com/fake-lead-pages, and that's where you will find the videos for the rest of this tutorial, plus anything else that you need, including the HTML. Okay? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, if you have questions, just let me know in the comments in the post or in the comments below the video. Thank you.